right next to the chest.
Oh, okay. I guess you're right. I thought you mean that if you were DK.
No, I still
This
get
is the kill pool. This is the kill pool.
Full focus, guys. We are so fucking close, by the way. Like,
We're
no
getting the
Kizzy,
achievement.
No Kizzy, we are right there, and I need this achievement so bad, okay?
Great kill, by the way. Rest in peace, by the way.
Need this achievement so damn bad.
I'm actually down so bad for this achievement. They call me Achievement Lodge.
They call me Anger.
What?
Also, I'm not gonna lie, I would literally kiss this big bitch if we kill her.
So you want to
on
kiss
her
her after
grave.
she's dead? You sick fuck.
No, like next week when the rain starts.
Yeah.
Right.
No, let him cook.
I don't know, every time I just let him cook when someone just says something ridiculous, it is so fucking funny.
Yeah.
It's so ridiculous.
Proceeds to say the most unhinged shit. Let him cook. Let him cook.
Fuck up, dude. If I ever hear that again, I'm gonna fucking die.
Let him cook.
Alright, crank the boss. Crank the ads.
Let him cook.
Is he dead yet?
We are Giga Piss chilling on this next great stuff. No fear, boys. Giga Piss.
Careful.
This
Double,
front
you
two.
got-
What
you
the
got one of
fuck
those-
is that?
You got one of those nose
Yeah, we were
holders
still
when you
killing
start
the
shovel?
one guy.
What'd you say?
Okay.
So we were still
Do
killing
not
one
be
of the
afraid
guys.
of personal on this
No, no,
upcoming great staff. Do not be
no.
afraid of personals upcoming great staff. Personals are legal on this one.
What'd you say, Glick? Okay,
Yeah.
my fault.
Lino!
Again, we can personal this great staff. Boss group. Personal great staff. Okay, the next two great staffs are Omega Chill. Or the next one, sorry.
Sure, we're doing our kick strike again, Red Stormers.
Focus on McAdams.
Do not take skull second unless
Hey,
I call it.
Why? This is the chill set. This is the chill set, boys.
The spruce.
Holy fuck. Maybe it's not so chill. It's an AKR.
Sounds with you.
Okay, there's gonna be
There's
a
a
rougher
rough
set coming up. Rough set coming up. You ready? Don't be afraid of personal here, boys. Don't be afraid of personal. Cook up. This is where you cook. Personals.
Good.
Got it. Something Draco Malfoy. Nuclear reversions. Oh
Nuclear virgin.
no, reversion.
No.
That's crazy.
The fuck up. Next one. Mikos
Mine.
AMZ is the next one. Fucking children. Drop your AMZ, bitch.
You mean AMZ?
I said AMZ.
That's what he said.
Jared, please focus.
Sorry. Jared, stop talking.
No, but for real.
X one off. Who's first X?
Don't land that now.
Is it Dusty?
Okay. This is a bit of
What?
a rougher one. Watch your health. Watch your health. No skitsin. No skitsin. Watch your health. Watch health. Down. AMZ for the next one. Between the two eggs. Between the two eggs. Tally egg stream. Oh boy. Between the two eggs. AMZ for the boys. That's an experience there, faking shit.
I'm so lazy.
Okay, we're moving over, boys.
How did them
Over.
not fucking... Yeah, we're good.
Yeah, you got it. That was clean. That was clean. Okay, we have. We're getting.
These are all doubles.
Ben is taking us to Valhalla on this one, boys. Big cities, big double.
Someone kick X here.
I got it. This is my kick.
Yeah.
So it is.
I'm second on X.
I'll try to tap as big as hers. Okay, throw some personals in with this one. Pause group. We can personal up a little bit. Actually, we're fine. You don't need to.
Alright, last ad said own these.
Yep, crank them up, boys. Transition is soon. Transition is soon. We are literally playing Football Kingdom.
Let's go.
Let's
Dusty.
kill this ball, guys.
Ball
Full focus.
Kingdom.
Get your fucking kicks, get your focus, get your dance.
Leaving.
Tap dancing. Final grade 7 is coming up. Watch your health here. You can use little personals if you need to, but remember, we want the most for the big shit. Little personals if you need. Okay, bring the ads in. Bring the ads in, we're phased. Okay, hit the fucking juveniles.
Play safe.
Finish
Just
that
play
legionnaire
safe.
as well.
You can pot here, by the way.
Yep, you can pot here. Watch the dance. Be very careful with this dance, okay? Don't worry. Listen, we had 3 minutes on the enragement white blast pole. This place is so conservative.
Watch
I don't
click.
care about your bars. Only Jared does. He's a freak.
Cleanse me, Theo. Or Jared, one of you.
Okay, take your positions around the boss. We're ahead. Take your positions around the boss. Position around the boss. Position properly. Okay, dance in. Dance out. Dance in. Play very safe. Break the shroud. Good. Good. Watch
Wait
that
for me.
shit in the back. Watch that shit in
Watch
the back.
the melee.
Do not fucking revert that. Okay. Watch health your stacks. Great stabs.
Come play with me
out.
here, Click.
Straight out, great stabs. We're doing good, guys. Take a deep breath. Stay focused. Okay, we have wildfire coming next. Dance in, out, in.
You should just go Africa with that, Click.
Good.
Jump.
Watch
Oh, the
these.
boss.
You guys need to get it. Be careful. We're okay.
If you don't have the boss, just like go Africa with it.
Alright, this is gonna be Theo. Should be fine. Actually, Theo and
Okay,
Finn.
watch your health. Yo, we're
Optimal
getting
one.
ice here in a second. Ice is coming now. Get ready. Break the ice. Good. Wildfire now. Dance in, out. Careful.
Externally now. Finn and Theo.
Out. Out. Don't go in. Out. Okay, hit the boss. Hey, we're chilling. Next mechanic is gonna be a storm fissure right into wildfire. Be careful with how you dance, okay? Good fissure. Dance in, out, in. Nice work, football players. We're doing great. Keep it up.
Just watch your feet.
Alright, this will be Draco's on me for the Immortal Pulse.
Ice is coming in a second. Ice is coming now. Watch your health. Break the ice. Health pot.
Rest shovel, rest shovel.
Get shovel quick.
We have 2 reses, yeah. This one.
There's a buff, there's a buff.
Can you onk?
Wildfire
He
is
did.
next. In, out, in. Good shit, guys. Keep cranking. Keep cranking. Keep cranking them.
Draco. It's fine, it's fine. Block. Chill.
Okay, out with these great stabs.
Res
Out
him,
with
res.
great stabs. You can give me. You can give me. Okay, keep watching it. Next mechanic is a wildfire. Get ready. It's for wildfire. Okay, in, out. Watch the little ones. There's a lot of them now. Back in. Watch your feet. Watch your feet.
I'm gonna move the boss in a little bit after you get hit.
Okay, break the ice.
Done.
Personals. We're good. Nice
Move
job.
boss,
Keep it
move
up. We're cranking her. Follow boss. Great staff. Figures out quick. Out quick. Straight back.
Alright, this will be Theo.
Hey, there's going to be a
Boss.
dance right after this. If you are out, stay out. If you are out, stay out. Dance outside.
Rebuff it.
Last dance. Back in.
Sweet.
Res. Okay. Listen. Blow stones on Mickle if we need them. We're playing ball, guys. We can kill here.
That's
Call
normal.
literally, Mickle.
He's gonna be able to AMS this one, and then
We have resin.
You have bubble.
you can even bubble taunt it, yeah.
I can AMS someone when it's on.
I'll call.
Okay. Dance in. Out.
We also have
Use
Draco's
defensives now. Use
external for
defensives.
In.
Kilash.
All defenses.
Every personal.
Every person in the game get your great steps out. Let me know if you need a taunt, Mickle.
Draco external Kilash and Kilash ready to taunt.
Yeah, we have res for
Done,
taking.
Do now, do now, do now.
External Kilash. External Kilash.
It's on
This
me.
won't work. Okay, it's fine.
We have res in 5. We have res in 5.
We have res
Out.
click. Click.
And
Click.
out.
Look on me.
Wait, res is res.
Yeah,
Just res
res
the tank. Res the tank.
Get him. Taunt the boss. He's super low. We're okay.
Have it, have it.
Listen, we have a lot of time. Just hit the ball.
Personal. It's
Relax.
personal.
Personals. Use health pots. It's gonna be okay. Keep it up. All personals. Use your mana creep torches. Okay. Keep click up. Keep cranking. Okay. Break ice quick. You gotta get a new green torch soon. Be ready. Keep hitting. If you need a kite, be ready. Use your green torches. All dots on the ball.
Torch.
Let's go!
Solve, guys.
Oh my god, a staff!
No legs.
Good.
Over Henry!
That was a baller fucking pull. Football.
Good shit.
Light of creation!
Look at that! Without the iron to control them, they've lost the will to fight, bozos. They lost the will! Nice!
Pass
kill
on
action.
blue.
Kill action.
On Resi G.
Good shit on the calls, seriously.
Thanks, dude.
Yeah, yeah.